Hey guys, Micah here, coming at you with another IML bounce back video from Imarketslive. And happy April, welcome to a new month. Let's crush it this month. It's April 1st, and I know this product is gonna keep producing for people like it always has from the beginning, right? If you follow the 3 rules. So, as usual, like, comment, subscribe. If you find any benefits from this video, please share it. And if you didn't get your journey started in Forex yet, or if you don't have partner in Imarketslive, click on the link below, www.tradewithmicah.com, and me and my team is more than happy to take you under our wing and teach you, right, and get you started off in the right way and building that solid foundation. That's kind of my motto going forward, right? Building a solid foundation for anyone that partners with me, because that's important, right? And I know, because when I started, I followed people who just strictly went off indicators, right? And that's how I used to trade. I was a scalper. The team I'm currently with, right, has evolved me into a more confident, a less emotional trader. And that's 2 things that will kill people, right? Confidence and emotion. If you're not confident in entering a trade, you're never going to enter a trade. When you do enter a trade, your emotions are going to kick in, and you're going to, oh, should I stay in? Should I stay in? Should I get out? Right? That's emotions, right? And when that happens, that will kill you. And I'm proof, right? Because I used to be a scalper. But let's get to it, right? So AudChf was called on the 1 hour time frame, and the regular way to use this, right, 1 hour time frame, you drop to the 15, you draw your trend line, you wait for the break of the trend line, wait for the crossover of MACD, then you enter on the 15 minutes, then you drop to your 5 minute, wait for the break of the trend line, cross the MACD, you enter, right? So let me take you over to my trading view, and let's show you how I entered this trade and what I'm looking for. So let's go to AudChf. Okay, so I already actually had it mocked up, and let me just redo it for you folks. Okay. Okay, here we go. So on the higher time frame, right, you see what's happening, right? You see all of this, right? Came back, dropped, came back, touched this trend line, dropped again, touched the trend line here, dropped again, came back, almost touched this trend line. So you see that pattern, right? So it called a sell on the 1 hour, and look what it did here. Touched again, right? So on this 1 hour, now we drop to the 15 minute. Draw our trend line on the 15 minute, and the trade was called at 3:15. So let's go look for 3:15. Let's mark it with a blue vertical line. 3:15. Okay, so this is where the market was called, the trade was called. So anything to the right of this, you would not see. So the only trend line possible at this point in time, before this blue line, right, is this, right? So this is your only trend line that you have right here. Okay. And for me, because I seen this, because I established this, right, this whole trend line right here, I know that I'd wait for a price to, kind of come up or get close to this trend line because it's a strong trend line. You can see previously it bounced off like 4 or 5 times, right? So what is the market going to do? It's going to go up and hit it again for a retest, right? So seeing this, right, when market got up here, I would have dropped down to the 5-minute, right? And I would have drew another trend line. Right when market touched here, I would have drew another trend line. There you go. Now, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for price to break, right? Cross over. As you see, we did get that, right? So, let me erase this. Stop loss. Would have been right there. Entry. Here. As you can see, it pulled back. It pulled back, what, 9 pips. But it didn't hit stop loss, right? And then you take the trade. You can see you got the crossover right here. Went back up, crossed over again to the downside. So from here, right now, it's about a 14 pip move, right? So this, you could get in, right? But I'd be cautious. I'd wait for the MACD to come back up. So I'd wait for something like this, right? Because you missed the initial first move. I'd wait for something like this and then back up to retest that trend line and then back down. Because you see, it could make its way down like here to here, right? So I'd look for a take profit maybe right there. And that's about 53 pips. So I'd wait for that, and then your MACD has to look something like this. And come back down. So once you get this, MACD come up, or it might come up and then cross over again. That's when I'd take it, right? So that's what I'm looking for with this trade. Now, NzdUsd at 340, 1 hour time frame. NzdUsd. Right, okay, so you can see market right now is just making its way, right? Up, 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 right? Bounced up. Price almost came back here and tested, right? So 4 hour. So again, it was called on the 1 hour time frame. So because I see this, right? Because I see my daily resistance here, right? Price could do exactly, right? Look how much times it went up and hit the daily resistance, right? 1, 2, 3. So this sell, right, could just be a move to go back down to go back up. And this is what I mean. So 1 hour time frame, 15-minute, right? Let's get rid of this. So your 15-minute is right there. So I'd actually go ahead and just draw it like this. Right, so 2 things can happen. In fact, 3 things, right? You could get a break here for the move back up, Or you could have this keep going back up, right? Up here and then down. Or when you see this, this could just either head back down, right? So this trade I'd watch. I probably won't get into this trade because of what I see. But that's kind of the two trades right now. The AudChf was an awesome trade if you got in. And I know I didn't get in because I was still sleeping at 3:15. But these are the two trades that was shown. I'll be back with a lot more trades from the bounce back and the harmonic scanner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If we do get this move, right? If we do get this move all the way back up, I'm taking the sell, right? I'm taking the sell because on the higher time frame, right? Look how much times, right? And let's see how much of a pip move is that. 345. Came back up. 220. Came back up. 162. Right? So as you can see, by seeing this, right, it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Right? So that next move up might actually be a bigger drop, or you might break through this. Right? You just have to analyze it on a higher time frame. So again, I hope you guys like this video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. If you're looking to get started, click on the link in the description, www.tradewithmicah.com. Until the next time, aloha, stay blessed.